All right, let's do a quick update before I forget. Sometimes I get into these projects and I just forget I should probably update it on video. So, ever since I put on these headers, they're cheap, but they work. I'll show you. It's this header right here. I've had an exhaust leak. It actually leaked a little bit right here, but it leaked a lot around here because I had this rigged up thing to get the air or the exhaust, whatever I forget I'm spacing the name off. Anyway, there's the thing that connects here that goes up and reads to a computer and sends a signal. And I rigged this up because these are cheap headers. They didn't have this. These were expensive, so I didn't buy them. I didn't think I was going to keep this motor long, which is part of the reason. So I just rigged this up, and it always leaked. So when you step on the gas lot, you'd hear a little ticking out of here, and actually down here too. They were cheaper headers, you know. The other side doesn't leak at all, just this side. Finally had it with it, especially thinking about selling it, and just sucked it up and paid the money, and I've got these nice pace setter headers. These are about 460 bucks, but they have this built in. No more leaking. That's what I really want. So I'm installing those now. You can see them here. They're a nice finish. I looked at black, but black was like $100 less. They come with all these parts. They come with new gaskets on eBay. Maybe I'll link it down. I don't even know if they have them. So I'm in the middle of tearing all this out. I'll update you if I got rid of all the exhaust leaks and how it sounds and everything. But just wanted to throw that out there, that I'm doing this. So yeah, we'll finally have it done correctly, have it fixed, and yeah, that's my update. Real quick, real brief. Excited to see how they sound. All right, adding to the update, headers are in. It took me about 4 hours to get these things in. I thought this side was going to be the hardest because of the, what is it, the EGR, whatever it is, the breather tube that comes up and comes in here. Whatever. I thought it was going to be hardest on this side. It actually wasn't. Keep in mind, if you need to change your spark plugs when you have the headers off, go ahead and change them out, because I can't get to the back too. I'm sure there's a way to do it, but it's absolutely difficult. But the hard part, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, was this side actually. This is the side that took me the longest. I'll see if I can get the camera in there. I apologize for the poor camera work. Whoops. I don't know if you can see where I cut part of the flange down there, because it was going against a metal piece. And look at how close it is to the firewall here. I actually took a maul to that a little bit and just tapped it in to give me just that little bit of room. And then also, I don't know if I'll be able to see it on camera. This is gonna be difficult. Forgive me, I'm gonna crawl on the ground. You can see how close this is to this right here, this engine part that molding or whatever that sticks out. I actually had to cut the top of this, grind it down to get this flange in. I imagine you could probably grind that flange down. I didn't know it wasn't going to work. Oh my gosh. So that took some time. But now, no more leaks. Here's the old headers. These are actually decent. I didn't see anywhere where they were leaking. Everything looks good on them still. Nice thick flanges. Maybe it was leaking back here a little bit, potentially, possibly. It actually looks like it might have been just a touch. But it didn't have the little breather thing, and you're going to want to have that on here. I went the cheap route. You know, these were like, what, 100 bucks, 125 bucks. Not bad for the price, but if you need that little breather thing out here, trying to jerry rig something up here didn't work out too well. I think this is where everything was leaking, and leaking here too. Cheap headers. I mean, you get what you pay for. Now I paid for good headers. I thought I was just going to have this engine in here for a short amount of time, which is why I did the cheap headers, because I thought I was going to swap out to LS. This engine's been great though, so I don't have any reason to swap out to an LS unless this thing does something stupid, and let's hope it doesn't. Yeah, so that's it. That's my update. No more leaks. I'm gonna go run this for a while and just see. I doubt it's gonna perform any different, but I'm just gonna enjoy driving with no leaks. That's my update. Talk to you again soon.